to our YouTube channel and welcome to another styling video. Now this video is going to be a lookbook video where I'll be creating suitable looks, very simple yet stylish looks for college going girls. And we girls generally wear jeans in our day-to-day life, so I wanted to do a specific video where I'm telling you guys how you can style your tops or kurtas with denims. And yeah, here I am with this video. I really hope you guys will find this video interesting and helpful. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go and hit the subscribe button, become a part of this family. Don't forget to hit the bell icon which is just next to the subscribe button, so that every time I post a new video you guys get notified. And yes, with that, let's get started with this video. For the very first look, all you need to have is a crop top. Now I have this top from Clovia from their Activewear collection, and I wanted to pair it up with a colorful pants to go with a color blocking. So I paired it up with a turquoise color denims, and I'm going to add hoops. Now I am going to add these green color hoops, which is actually a DIY. If you want a tutorial on this, do let me know in the comment section. I would love to do that for you guys. And I just wanted to match my earrings with my pants, just to go with the whole vibe. So I went ahead with the green ones, and now I'm going to add few more accessories. Now I'm going to add a watch. So I wanted to go for a colorful watch. I have this red color watch. I think this will look perfect with this whole look. And yeah, I'm right, because just look at this, the red watch is looking so sexy with the lavender top. And yeah, this is going perfectly with the whole aesthetic of this whole look. Now color blocking is the easiest fashion technique. You will never go wrong with color blocking. If you are feeling like nothing, like to go with nothing, just pair up two different colors and you will rock. Now I'm adding few rings, so I'm going with silver rings because the watch that I'm wearing has a silver tone in it. So yeah, just to match everything, I'm adding silver rings. Now for the hairstyle, I'm going to make a messy ponytail. It is not going to be the messiest one, but it is going to be messy because I'm going to just take out some hair from the front, and I will give my pony a medium height, not too high, not too low. It's gonna be medium one. And yeah, that's it for my hairstyle. Now to add a pop of red in my pony, because I'm wearing a red watch, so I want a pop of red in my ponytail to just go more crazy. And I'm using this headband like so. I'm just like making a knot of out of it, and yeah, that's it. Just look at this, the ponytail is looking so sexy. And for my handbag, I'm going to use this college going bag, because we are going to college and we need something in which we can keep our books and notes and blah blah blah. And this is the final look. Second look is going to be very basic, but it is going to be very stylish and classy. So for this one look, I'm wearing this neon top. This is a cami top. Got this from Myntra, and this brand was Tokyo Talkies, I guess. And I'm adding this floral shirt. Now this shirt is going to change everything. You can also go for the white loose t-shirt, but I think this is looking really well. And also wearing these wide leg jeans. And yeah, that's it for this look. I'm going to add few accessories. So I'm adding this brown color kada, then going to add a golden color chain which I got from Meesho. In that I'm adding is very basic one. It is a golden chain. It doesn't look heavy or not very like कुछ है ही नहीं. So yeah, this is something right in between. And for the earrings I went ahead with these small earrings जिसमें globe बना हुआ है, sorry earth बना हुआ है. And added these sunglasses which is from West Side. And for the handbag I'm going to add the pastel color handbag which I got from Meesho. I'm loving this. I'm obsessed with this one bag. It looks very cool and very pretty, and yeah, the whole look is complete now. Look is my favorite one. I wanted to try out this look for the longest time, and finally I tried it in this college logo. It is appropriate for the college. So I wore this black one-sided top and making a knot out of it because it is a bit loose on me, and paired up with a dangri. Now dangri looks very cool and it's very cute. It makes you look 100 times more cute, and at the same time it looks very cool. It is appropriate for college going girls. And also I'm going to add few golden accessories to make this whole look very polished. Added these rings and the same earring which I wore in the last look. And for my hairstyle, I have made this glow bun and a ponytail, like a bun ponytail में ही. And I'm going to add this last accessory which is a bucket hat. It looks very pretty, like this changed the whole look. And also added this jute bag. This vibe, the aesthetic vibe of this whole look is just amazing. I'm loving this look. Before revealing the final look, I'm going to add footwear. So I'm going to add these shoes which I got from Flipkart a few years back, and they are still the same, of a very good quality. And by the way, all the product details and the links of all the items will be there in the description box. So if you want to pick any item, you can definitely pick it out. And this is the final look now. Very next look and the final look of this video. This is going to be an Indo-Western look where I'm going to pair my chikankari kurti with this white leg jeans. Now this is something that I wore out of my house a lot of times, and I always wear only one earring with this one kurta. These are the earrings which I always wear with this chikankari kurta. The color combination is just so pretty. The embroidery on this kurta is with pink, dark pink color, and जो tassels लगे हैं earrings पे दोनों का color same है, and it looks so perfect with this one kurta. And for my hairstyle, I went ahead with a messy bun. For my handbag, I am taking this jute bag, and that's it for this look. And yeah video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do let me know in the comment section which was your favorite look, and if you are going to recreate any of these looks after watching my video, do send me the photos on Instagram. The Instagram account is below in the description box. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys loved watching it, and will meet you all in my next video. Bye bye.